Hey guys, we're back and we're doing Ipic's Wicked Kitchen, and today we got zucchinis. And you're like, hey Mr. Sal, what are you gonna do with the zucchini? And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make some pasta. Yeah.
Wow.
As seen on TV. Look at this. Look.
Okay.
I never used this thing before. We're gonna use it for the first
right.
time. We're gonna make some spirals
All right.
to mimic the pasta. Then after it's cooked,
Okay.
after it's cut. After it's cut, spiral, we're going to pop it on the stovetop for a minute or two at the most with a little bit of olive oil, and we're just going to warm it up, saute just a little bit. We don't want it to get too watery.
All right, do it.
So let's see how this works, okay? Let's see. So I'm going to put that here. Look at that. I'm going to put that there. Oh, good. Nice and tight. Let's see how this bad boy works. We're gonna spiral. Oh, it's popping out already. We're gonna spiral. You might want to use a plate. This little bowl is not the best. But look how it's coming out. It tastes so junk. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Bam, 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 bam. And we're gonna use about 2 zucchinis today, 2 medium. Use 3. You know, you see what works for you. Look at the spiral thing go. And I thought I seen on TV was garbage, but it looks pretty good. Look how that's coming out. Very spiral. Let's see the most we can get. They also have these other peelers that you can use by hand, but this thing costs like $10, $12 at Walmart. You know, we're gonna put that in there, clean it out a little bit. Let's do one more. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Let's sing a song for zucchini. We love to eat it, and we're gonna have another video on too, where Miss Wicked's gonna be making her famous chicken meatballs made with ground chicken. Now we have nothing against beef, we love beef, but just today we're gonna be making some ground turkey meatball parmesan, as they say. That's right now in the air fryer cooking, so make sure you check that video out if it's available. You go to the YouTubes and stuff like that. So here we go, look at that. Boom. We're cutting it. We're cutting it. We're trimming it. So we're going to come back. We got pretty much this. I'm going to clean up. I'm going to clean this up, put it to the side. Then we're going to go to the stovetop, put a little bit of olive oil. You know how we do it. Put a little bit of olive oil, maybe a little salt and pepper. I don't know. I'm going to season it pretty good. I'm going to put it in there, heat it up. Yep. 1 minute. We don't want it to get too watery because you know what happens with zucchini. If you cook it too much, it gets watery. So we like it al dente. Let me come back.
Click, click.
Okay, so I'm going to cook this for a minute or two with a little bit of olive oil, some garlic, salt and pepper on a medium heat, not too high. We just want it a little bit cooked, just to heat them up. Because zucchini lets out a lot of water. We want it to be al dente, as they say. And then we did that. So we'll start putting this in our bowl. There you have it. You got your zucchini pasta with some marinaras. These are the chicken meatballs that Miss Wicked made before. You can look for that video online.
Turn it around. We can't see the SpaghettiOs.
And then we're gonna do that. And then we did that. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try how it tastes. Mmm.
Is it, Mamma Mia?
It tastes so good. I didn't even know it was zucchini. Remember what I said. If Sal can cook, so can you. So make some zucchini Italian meatballs with ground chicken and whatever, and come back. We're gonna be making stuff every night like this.
Bon appetit.
Mmm.